What's cracking, homies? Welcome back to English in 60 Seconds. My name is Ben, and as I promised you, I got 3 new slang words to teach you today that us native speakers use on the reg in the United States of America. So, let's hit it. Word number 1, cool, short for cool. Basically a way saying that you agree or that you're okay with something. So for example, let's say you're hosting a party and your friend says, hey, is it okay if I bring 2 of my friends to the party? You can say, yeah, that's cool. Word number 2, for show. Short for sure. Basically a way of saying sure, but with more excitement and energy. So for example, hey, you want to go to the movies with me tonight? For show. Word number 3 is chill. We can use this in 2 ways. 1, you can invite your friends to come over and hang out at your house, aka chill. Hey guys, you want to come over and chill at my crib tonight? Or if someone was really angry and they needed to calm down, you can say, hey, you need to chill. Alright, now you know 3 new slang words to help you sound more like a native speaker. I challenge you now to write a sentence using one of these words in the comments below. And I promise you I'll respond with a new slang word. Alright, if you enjoyed this video, please like it, please subscribe to my channel, and drop me a comment or question. I'll make sure to respond and answer you. See you next time on English in 60 Seconds. Peace out.